To be a tough allergy to navigate here in Texas, where we get a lot of that sun.
Yeah, especially during the month of July. We're seeing a lot of it, especially today. Lots of sunshine. Also heat. I don't know if there's a heat allergy. I would think there is. We've got that out there today, and we also have a weather impact alert to tell you about for tomorrow because of extreme heat. Take a look at what we're talking about. It's mainly during the afternoon and early evening hours on your Thursday or Wednesday rather. I should say Wednesday for extreme heat. Very high heat index. We're talking about up to 112 degrees. So you're going to want to stay hydrated throughout the day tomorrow, really throughout the entire week. You should always be staying hydrated during the summer months. We are hot right now at the San Antonio airport, clocking 98 degrees. Factor in the humidity. It feels like 101. That is the feels like temperature. East winds are at 9 miles per hour, so at least we have a little bit of a breeze to help cool us off. Humidity not too high, though, 34%. A lot of times it's higher than that in the middle of the summer, so we get a higher feels like temperature. I guess we'll take 101. It's all we can do. We do have some more triple digits down to the south again. 104 for Pearsall and Cotulla. 100 even for Pleasanton, Kennedy, and George West, both at 102. Eagle Pass 100. Everybody else in the 90s. 99 Gonzales, 98 New Braunfels. Bernie sitting at 95. Rock Springs also 95. And Junction, a current temperature of 97 degrees. Here's that heat advisory. It's in effect from noon until 8 o'clock on Wednesday for all the counties shaded in orange. It's mostly Bexar County on southward and eastward. That's where the heat index is expected to top close to 112 degrees during the peak heating of the afternoon. We could do some rainfall, but of course not where we have these flood warnings. Still river flood warnings for the Frio River and also the Nueces River in our southern counties. They're expected to crest during the day tomorrow, so we'll likely see those fade away later on this week. But for now, we'll keep an eye on those. But no more rain in the forecast anytime soon, at least for the next few days. Dry air is here over South Texas. That's that darker color here. You can see a lot going on in the radar, a lot of colors, and we see a lot going on here with this guy here. It's Tropical Storm Bertha. Winds, they're up over the last 24 hours. They're at 60 miles per hour, making it a formidable tropical storm, even though we're not seeing a whole lot of convection, especially not a whole lot onshore. Moving to the northwest at 6. It was stationary last night. Now it's starting to pick up speed as it has strengthened quite a bit over the past 24 hours. Moving along the Gulf Coast, but as it heads toward Texas, likely moving overland, and it should dissipate into a remnant area of low pressure by the weekend, giving us very little chance for rain out of that system. Definitely some good news. Futurecast starts you out tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Mostly clear skies. Starting out tomorrow morning, the upper 70s to around 80 degrees. By the end of the day, it's mostly sunny, highs in the upper 90s and lower 100s. Very hot tomorrow again. Stay hydrated, try to stay out of the sun, and we'll do it again on Thursday. Starting out in the upper 70s and low 80s with mostly clear skies, and by the end of the day, it's more sunshine. Temperatures maybe a degree or two cooler, upper 90s to around 100 degrees. So a few dry and very hot days coming at you. For tonight, mostly clear by the mid-evening hours, dropping down to the mid to upper 80s. Southeast winds at 5 to 15. For your day tomorrow, 78 to start, 100 to finish, and in between lunchtime, 90 degrees. Hot stuff throughout the day. And there's that weather impact alert for tomorrow. Pretty much no rain in the forecast except for Saturday, a 20% chance with Bertha nearby, a very weak Bertha. High temperatures staying in the mid to upper 90s through the end of the forecast as we head into the first part of August. Hey, if you need a box fan or you know anybody that does, Project Cool wants to help you out. Drop one off at any San Antonio Fire Department station except for the airport. And if you need one, just call the United Way helpline at 211.